Welcome back to our channel. This is the Micellar Cleaning Water all-in-one makeup remover. I really like using this because I think it very efficiently removes my makeup off my face. So today I actually went to a concert and I wore a lot of makeup over a long period of time. So I actually also used a lot of like primers and face sprays to make sure that my makeup stayed intact. I also did a few touch-ups. So I'm really excited to use this to take off my makeup because I know I don't really have to rub much. I just kind of pour it onto just a regular Bounty paper towel. I know a lot of people also use cotton swabs, but I think because I do wear like a fair amount of makeup, I just think that I'm gonna go through a lot of cotton swabs and I don't really like producing that much waste. I usually like using like 1 or 2 Bounty rolls, and I'm lucky that my face isn't like, I'm not too sensitive to these things, so it doesn't really cause any friction or anything like that. And the thing I really like about micellar cleansing water is that it removes my makeup without leaving my face super oily or super dry. So after I'm done taking my makeup off, I usually feel like my face is very neutral. Honestly, I'll usually wash my face with like a face wash afterwards anyways, just to get off any remnants of makeup. But I think the micellar water usually does a very good job. So yeah, it effectively cleanses, removes makeup, and refreshes skin. So the idea behind it is that, like kind of a magnet, the micellar water captures like all of the makeup and removes it very efficiently off your skin. So you don't really have to do a lot of like rubbing or like picking at it or things like that. And it doesn't take a lot of swipes either. So already like this whole side of my face, the makeup is off. Yeah. And then I'm going to do the same to this side. So I usually like to start with my eyes just because that's usually where I have the most amount of makeup on. And then, yeah, as you can see, that was less than what, like a minute, and pretty much all of the makeup on my face is off. Like I said, I'm gonna do, I did this with no mirror either, so I don't know what I'm taking off exactly. But I'm just gonna, after this, I'm gonna go ahead and do a face wash and probably use my night cream. And that's it. So quick, so efficient. It took me like 2 hours to put all this makeup on and then less than 2 minutes to take it off. So yeah, that's it. Highly recommend this product if you use makeup, or honestly at the end of the day too, like if you wear a lot of sunscreen or things like that, just because you want to remove that off your face before you go to wash your face. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Yeah, definitely recommend.